One of you completed the challenge in 26 minutes and 47 seconds. The other one did it in 25 minutes and 16 seconds.
Wow.
The winner of Alt for Norge and the one who will get to meet their Norwegian family is... Beth.
Congratulations, dude. I knew it. I knew it. Good job.
I can't believe it. I'm like so happy. I've never been so happy.
Beth, congratulations on winning Alt for Norge.
Thank you. I cannot believe it. Thank you so much.
I'll get back to you,
Okay.
the champion, but first, Brandon.
Thank you, Henrietta.
What an effort. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And here is the book with information about your living Norwegian relatives.
I can't be upset with anything today. I tried my best, and that's all I wanted to do was go out there and give it my all. And I lost to a better person today, and I'm proud of that. Like, she deserved to win today, and I'm really excited for her.